I recently got a comment saying, "Great analysis, thank you. I have a quick question. I have a SafePal wallet with USDT, and I have the seed phrase. How can I transfer them to Binance?" First off, never share your seed phrase publicly. It gives access to your wallet and can lead to loss of funds. Now, let's get started. First, open your SafePal app, navigate to USDT in your wallet and tap on Send. Now, log into your Binance account. Go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, then search for USDT. Click on Deposit. Choose the correct network USDT20, BEP20, or TRC20. This is very important to avoid losing funds. Copy the deposit address shown. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier. Make sure the network matches the one you selected on Binance USDT20, BEP20, or TRC20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Review the transaction details, including network fees, and confirm the transfer. Here I have insufficient balance, so can't show next. Depending on the network, the transfer may take a few minutes. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for USDT20 or BSC Scan for BEP20. Never share your seed phrase like in the comment. It allows full access to your wallet. Keep it private and safe. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with your questions or ideas for my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.